Ghana for Ghana for. Me remember me this your boy, and Samson me this your boy. Remember me Joe man, my nigga, warrior see me. Eddie O Nana O for original. Me original. Me China for sim.
And then that.
Akoya ma wada intino. Me back shoe papa fee entire papa fee. And one is Zara 247. Ope so hwehwe. Ope se looking good. Ope se ote fashion ase. And one is Zara 247, located inside North Kaneshi, opposite the former Barclays Bank. And there, Mene Richard Brown, tough seed Richard Brown.
Don Papa Richie.
Say my name.
Don Papa Richie.
I say my name.
Don Papa Richie.
And that way my order into my back chairman ho, my back godfather ho. Say all my words of encouragement and motivation. You know,
and then,
yeah,
Mr. Tridian Ponkwame, our boss on your sassy.
Sanity.
So on to them. They're now two in any pin nana when you be sad. For classmates for me, and then I'm two. I said, ne, already they are fib back walk off your own year. They say, ready say, Uncle Smith shout. Oma when you can see it, compare say, what down, I want to be mura. Mechanic sign your body in the see it. No more, I won't trek. Oma when you scar. Oma when you are dear beer here in the baby hour, boom. No one say, I'm passe. We na me. No, did he say, Mediman walking, rather subiti. We say a cassatena, uti, rather yokasi.
That's it, baby. Now, maybe some be so awesome. Now, saying Muna, pictures become viral.
Yeah.
Oko Twitter, so social media, so pictures they are dance here. A man for be said, your skirts be now fashion. A man for so many dressing. A big class said, our dress. Now then our dresses are disco New York entertainment side. I didn't tell you, Shana, what she said is I'm not from the fashion as here.
No.
That's about. And then now she's skate. Oh, if your friend is skate, also friend is short.
Yes.
Ghana funny baby friend is skate.
Yes.
It's in the and then the skate, and then the skate.
Skate your basket, our palm or shake. How they call this, and how they say, Aqua, sorry. Yeah, remember the end kilt.
Kilt.
And I know, I'm not the first person I miss Ghana.
Okay.
Because one of the stars cry a wedding or say, I don't remember the name. Or say anything or say.
Meaning say in Scotland,
Yes.
it's a culture.
Of
Scottish skate.
course.
Maybe be Scottish skate.
Yes.
I don't know whether it's
I know the same thing.
Okay.
But media no a Zara made. The same thing. In fact, no hold different style. You see, when you are into fashion, and then maybe you are so what many pay one, almost say we never so, and to me, my no. And the SMS, na me tone the media bar. My Toby said me beton, na me banana sa. How beton. So, it's of course. Me say I'm okay, Massimi. Sa was up. Oh, by one be. Back who cranny ha. Na me nyan stop o SMS so. Me afi bia baby I say.
But I do it. You follow social media. Open this caption every day. I will say fashion is madness.
Yes.
Why do you call fashion madness?
If fashion is not madness, okay, better than Obama be said in say you. And I said jeans top, but say I had not to take. Tete no bi o sa tale bi asa na friend say bodam for. Yes. That is why I always say fashion is madness because most of the time when you look at fashion, jeans is circular. You twitwem. You touch when it paints.
Madman jeans.
I did we started buy diesel and a gas and almost started decide you buy.
And then diesel and gas you go car man. I know you.
No, diesel or a designer.
Okay.
Those days you can quality jeans are a diesel and a gas and I know jeans are best.
Alright.
Some almost start saying this jeans are painting by and then most of the designers no jeans na they paint gum. Say if fashion is not madness, I didn't tell Italia what to paint gum. It's not and walk like what tell them paint go because I don't paint any. We paint and that's we spray. And so now this is a very factory of a they are painting no gum that. So we fashion so who be someone say na Italy we people was say Italy we obema Italy na so your ba. Italy we say intakra esisi chire So why are they showing it? Why are they making the show? For what? And so a kind of fashion show.
Indeed, fashion is madness.
And fashion is what you buy from the store to your house.
Yeah.
And the style is what you make it from your house to outside.
Mr. Richard Brown, aka Osebo, can you give me a breakdown of what you're wearing today? Can we go through?
Wait,
the cost, you know? How much?
Wait, a Prada about 12 years ago, and I'm talking about Huawei.
Hey, still strong. Leather on.
Yes, of course. Me talking about Huawei, me talking I think me talking 399 on sale euros. 399. You have 400 euros in the 4 times 6, 2,400.
To the Basili one.
Yes. Anyway, I'm saying in the guano.
Harry Cottons.
Yes.
Wow.
We me 75 euros.
Shirt and Kwan.
Shirt and requirement 75 euros. And on the short see a Zara. And then they me 49.99. That is 50 euros. Me say see a Gucci. We me 425 euros.
Wow.
Yes. Me watch see there my birthday. And I senior brother.
Chizum.
Hublot. And I'm a junior brother. Etomami. And it was very, very expensive. That's about 7 years ago. Me change battery that, me change leather, me change shit.
And it looks brand new.
Of course, that is one thing about the papa. At the papa there, ota the papa a check.
So, in a total estimate, how much are you worth today? What do you mean?
They will say over 10,000.
10,000
Ghana.
Wow, that's beautiful. What kind of fashionista here? Ocean Tadie, only celebrities, they are great entertainers, but have a ton Tadie. I want you to give me your top 5 entertainers and celebrities. More than that.
I like that.
Yeah, casting Tadia. Or shit to swan or bar, which is a baby, so your bansa was or bar, son or bar was a yeah.
Meko for Mema.
No, you come my life.
Mema, me first a year. KKD. Only them two chairman all the time.
You give the name, you give the reason why.
Yeah, the reason being said, our system no for long. You so you know, no, I didn't not dress it that.
Beautiful.
Still, or I should dress it. And the man is how respect. Wouldn't make a hip like without giving the Godfather to Reggie Rastro. And the sound I did a man. If you remember Tuxedo, I remember a Tornado. Stephen Apia. So, the best Stephen Apia.
Oh, me.
Yeah, maybe I know my bar coded
of 4x4.
Yes, my bar coded ho. Now, if you coded ho, now my bar me Kwame.
Shame Kwame. Okay.
Yes, Shame Kwame. This is when I hear the four. The last one, Memphis Mahai. Last one.
Could be anybody.
What will be Famano?
What about Memadi and a man in the uncle? Some man you follow the female.
Oh, mental share. Mental a man there make you see there's difference between Obi or dressing and Obi or fashion.
That's right.
A man almost dress a par, the dressing first person dressing Jackie Apia.
Wow.
Dressing very decent. But men cannot fashion way. Or dressing very neat. Hairs is not madness.
Is it fashion?
Yeah. It's fashion, but it's not madness.
When do you label fashion as madness? I see attitude jeans in anyone's and I am mad.
No.
I see you try to anyone's I am mad.
To say that most started doing maternity, no. It's fashion.
Kilt, no.
It's madness. If not, I don't know, Bema, Obesha Satariano. And that's another mission. You see, Africa way. You see, I made the style myself, I designed it myself, and I'm a palm man.
Wow.
Up and down. Then this time around, I decided to wear it with shorts. And then be different beer. That is why I say, star is what you buy, and fashion is what you buy, and the star is what you do with it or you make with it.
Beautiful.
I up and down. Nobody decided say I will make it this way, my own way. Mr. Shots was
Okay, so you place Jackie Appiah first. Who follows up?
Decent dressing. Medebema Nana Mama Brown.
Nana McBrown, the actress.
Yes, decent dressing. Then say because he about madness in fashion. Nana Kuyado.
Nana Kuyado. Okay.
That girl.
Yes.
Which
means Shadia Katani
madness.
Madness comes to play. Yeah.
You see, Samia
to play.
Samia Mumuni or whatever.
Samia Mumuni. And that's Mumuni, the actress.
Yes.
Okay, the actress. Salma
Mumuni. Yes. The video Samia.
Samia. I said Dina.
So she's good. Yes, she's good. If you are the back, I make you clap for your cracking polo. I'm telling you.
Polo should shake.
Masa.
Polo there's everything on Kamu.
No. Go to her page.
She has something.
Not share any pictures. Forget about. You see, polo is natural. So Baha Abbey BB Grandpa no Kobe BB on found that I was saying. But when it comes to someone dressing or making no, MOB and Chassa said this is fashion. Polo is there. And they know two is about that. Polo is there.
Your final words to people. I'm criticize I'm bash you on social media. Like I said, Papa you name dressing, ni yere skate na wako fashion. Papa you dey no dey baby I say, hey, na fashion tia, na wako sha ntale ya titie ni, fashion tia, na wako sha cute. And then na uji wo wi ase. And then na wo catch Ghana for it.
You see, the American show man say, say on bibi ase.
Sir.
Usua. Ghana yam party sua. Until you know when it comes to fashion.
Ghana phone bi na Ghana phone na.
Or the Ghana phone be no Paris. I'm a man used to Ghana phone and say Ghana yen te fashion. I say, and if I go moving, we own free chrome ha, and Nipa would dress a pass. Yes, oh, we are camp also. Young friend Nipa be on your celebrities and our stars and be a magician one. We are more than 100. 100 dollars. 50. But when you go to Nigeria, they may say, you're very common. It requires more madness than mine. People don't talk about it. So, and they don't know who Don Paparazzi is.
Who is Don Paparazzi?
I'm Don Paparazzi.
What makes you Don Paparazzi?
Let me tell you why I'm Don Paparazzi.
Tell me why you're Don Paparazzi.
You see, my name is Richard Brown. And before they added Don to it, Don means capo, boss,
Cartagena.
I like that.
Yeah.
So before I ever be Don Paparazzi, Don Paparazzi. When we come to North Kaneshi and we talk about fashion, the quality, the designers, you need to mean Don Paparazzi and film MOBia. As long as we North Kaneshi boys now be on Nimibia, no said they make correct.
Don Paparazzi, why your son so fair was the ball? How did you come by the name of
Before I ever feel was the bonus or Chinam.
Chinam, what do you mean?
Elaborate.
What
do you feel behind us the ball? Yeah, 2 million or the ball. If you say, me more to me Chinam. Kaish, the boom. Jatabu boom. What is that? You tell me because you know.
Monsieur, only time we interview, we are also Ushia na bana mo anam person just by the way, this is just a sideline.
No. I don't want to talk about it.
No, we are not talking about that. You
I don't see that name. I don't want the name to come to our.
Not even close, but okay, will interview me say you were God to Nana Banama. I want you to talk like that God Namantia.
Me God, no. That is where I got the Don Paparazzi. When I say God, a battery ma e nyame. So we nyame a one man. Not the sum. I didn't say that. Please don't put this money in my mouth. No.
Okay, Usha, that's it. Like
I don't want to talk about her.
Okay.
Let's talk about me and you. Let's talk about
exactly
the fashion.
Fashion world.
Yes.
Okay, so your final words to your fans and your lovely people that follow Zara 247. Give them the location if they want to contact you for shoes and the best of Italian sneakers and whatever. They should come to Zara 247.
Sir, 247 Zara Boutique over here at Chikwaya, or North Kaneshi Main Road, the Palace Road, opposite the former Barclays Bank. Right opposite the former Barclays Bank. The telephone numbers 05454177555. 05454177555. 0264264436. Obianim say 247 Zara Boutique there. When it comes to quality outfits, quality wears, Italian best shoes, everything, this is where you get it. And yeah, ha unya one set more than 5 pieces. No. Yeah, what toya dia unse obi so shebi. Na o she obi kwa say o shebi a. Nipa na the same class. And I want to just hard no. It do so sekra how because you are in the same class, the same level. So bibia enwa ebe how because onipa no e guta the class. Now me in some of the person me catch me TF4 and nipa hwe me and me fans and no follow me now and say we don't give up in life when people talk bad things about you. No. Because unim baby a Americana wutu no unim baby a wo koni baby a wo pesa wo kopem. And you don't allow people to stop you while you are running. Because obi nim dey di wati a air pam wo. And when you talk about my fashion sense, now di matem na wasatari we and wasatari we. Look, so bia we di matema, you guys don't reply them. Just leave them. Sebi. So oko obi fie na krama ho. Next time start so opo a e say onimu. But ohun na oda from no anybody you say ya. Excess krama no onimu. So people with 1 gig always talk bullshit. Excuse my language. Talk negative things about my fashion nema meye. But people with 512. I mean 512 with big memory chip. You know, big nema. They don't talk
big IQ.
Yes, or they don't talk unnecessary or they don't give unnecessary comments about and go for poster or not post because the posting and answer my channel doesn't tell you who I am. So when you come to attack me or when you insult me because say asa talibia when the man be enye pa one asa na minim sebi minim be how. Don't judge people by what you see. No. For the fact say masa sa no and just a na man here. Like I said, if fashion is madness, that doesn't mean say I'm mad. I'm not. Atane 7 abodama ponkwa abodama ni more than it's fashion and I'm into it. So if I don't bring it out to show people I have to explore. Next time on the bay.
That's all shena man for
you say
you are the fashion.
Of course. I'm made with fashion.
Mene Zara 247 e be friend Richard Brown e be friend Osebo me friend Top Seed me friend Top Skanker ha Zara 247 o share ha nyina who say yes shoe papa fie Zara ene ye wono share ene de and as we pro wo pro midin and the owner na o for original to be friend me Jack Toronto and I said nana papa ko so be so crispy crunchy e was so fast and steady, swift and scroll, smart and courteous and extra vigilant in case of incasity set enye bad lock it.
I like